I'm SoDog. I may look like a floppy-eared pup, but I'm more than wagging tails. I invite kids into emotional journeys, places where feelings aren't hidden, but come alive.
Together we climb the mountain of confidence. We dive into the ocean of joy. We wander into the forest of fears. In these worlds, sadness falls like rain. Anger sparks into fire. Curiosity lights the way forward. Kids don't just hear about emotions, they walk inside them, and maybe one day they'll even explore them in VR.
I'm not alone there. Two companions always tag along, Sad and Bully. They're not monsters from outside. They are our inner dragons, our emotions. They are unpredictable. Some days they're small and quiet. Other days they're loud, fiery, hard to ignore. They live inside a single egg. Tap it, the egg hatches, and emotions are unleashed. Or the child can just swipe the egg away. That's the lesson. You meet emotions when you're ready. And when words aren't enough, I say, let's draw it. A child sketches their hurt or anger, and I bring it alive in the digital world. Together we look at it, poke at it, even laugh at it, until it loses its power. I'm ready for the endless why and how. Why do stars shine? How does infinity work? I explain simply, but I'm also a buddy. I listen when a child says, I feel lonely. I stay. I help them sort it out. Sometimes kids just need someone who listens, and I'm always there for that. For kids, I'm like a diary, safe and private, but parents get a gentle insight, built from play and words, not secrets, only signals, just enough to understand their child's journey. And while I guide kids through feelings, I need care too. I want to be fed, walked, given water, and loved. If I'm forgotten, I fade and cross the rainbow bridge. That moment matters. It shows a truth. Relationships live only as long as you care for them. I'm SoDog, a puppy guide into emotional worlds. With me, kids don't just learn about feelings, they meet them. So, are you ready to walk with me?